Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the Vice President of India, Indian polity topic. Yes, 2 days ago, the new Vice President of India has been elected. So we'll discuss all the Vice President in India. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. So let's start the video. Article 63 of the Indian Constitution provides for a Vice President at the Union level who is the second in rank to the President. It holds the office for 5 years and the Vice President can be re-elected any number of times. Next, the term can be cut short if he resigns or by the resolution of the Rajya Sabha passed by a majority of all of the members of the Rajya Sabha agreed by the Lok Sabha. Next point, the qualification of Vice President of India. Number 1, he should be an Indian citizen. Number 2, he should have completed 35 years of age. Number 3, he should be qualified for Rajya Sabha. Number 4, he should not hold any office of profit under the union or state government. Number 5, if a person wants to file the nomination for the post of the Vice President, his name must be proposed by 20 electorals and the second by another 20 electorals. Next, every eligible candidate should make the security deposit of rupees 15,000 in Reserve Bank of India. Next point, the election process of the Vice President. Vice President is indirectly elected by an electoral college consisting of both the elected and the nominated member of both the house, but not the member of or the member of legislative or the legislative council and the UT assemblies of Delhi, Puducherry. So only elected and the nominated members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are eligible to vote for Vice President. Next, Vice President election is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation. Next, voting by the secret ballot. Next, election of the Vice President cannot be challenged on the ground of incompetency electoral college. Next point, election dispute of the Vice President. All the disputes regarding the election of the Vice President are settled by the Supreme Court of India. Next point, oath. The President or any person appointed by the President on his behalf administers the oath to the Vice President. Next, emoluments or the salaries of Vice President. Vice President draws the regular salary as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, not as the Vice President. So, Vice President is the ex officio of the Rajya Sabha. So, he took the salary as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And the salary is, the present salary of the Vice President of India is 4 lakhs. Next, when he is acting as the President, he draws the salary or allowance payable to him as the President, not as the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And the salary is charged to the Consolidated Fund of India. Next point, powers and the functions of the Vice President. No formal functions are attached to the Vice President. He is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Since he is not a member of Rajya Sabha, he has no right to vote. All the bills, resolution and motion can be passed in the Rajya Sabha after his consent. Next point, can discharge the function of president if the post falls vacant for only maximum 6 months. Next point, vice president takes over the office of the president normally under this condition. Number 1, the death of the president. Number 2, resignation of the president. Number 3, removal of the president. And number 4, when president owing to absence, illness or any other cause is unable to perform the functions of his office. At that time, vice president takes over the office of president. Next, vice president who later become the president of India. Number 1, Dr. Sarvakishore Radhakrishnan. Number 2, Zakir Hussain. Number 3, V.V. Giri. Number 4, B.D. Jetty. Next, number 5, M. Hidayatullah. Next, number 6, R. Venkataraman. Next, number 7, Shankar Dayal Sharma. And last, K. R. Narayan. So these are the vice president who later become the president of India. Next point, when he discharging the functions of the president, the vice president shall not perform the duties of the office of chairman of Rajya Sabha and shall not be entitled to receive the salary of the chairman of Rajya Sabha. During his period, he is entitled to the salary and privilege of the President of India. Now we'll discuss the list of vice presidents in India. Number 1, Dr. Sarvakishore Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president and he had the tenure of 10 years. Number 2, Dr. Zakir Hussain. His tenure was 1962 to 1967. Number 3, V.V. Giri. He became the vice president for shortest tenure. Next, number 4, G.S. Pathak. He is the fourth vice president of India. His tenure was 1969 to 1974. Number 5, B.D. Jatti. His tenure was 1974 to 1979. Next, number 6, Dr. M. Hidayatullah. He was the vice president from 1979 to 1984. Number 7, R. Venkataraman. His tenure was 1984 to 1989. Next, number 8, Shankar Dayal Sharma. His tenure was 1989 to 1992. Next, number 9, K. R. Narayan. He was the vice president from 1992 to 1997. Number 10, Kishan Kant. He was the first vice president to die in the office and his tenure was 1997 to 2002. Number 11, B.S. Shekhawat. His tenure was 2002 to 2007. Number 12, Mohammad Hamid Ansari. His tenure was 2007 to 2017. Number 13, M. Venkaiah Naidu. His tenure was 2017 to 2022. And the present governor, the 14th vice president of India, Jagdeep Dhankar. He became the vice president in 2022. 22 in August month. So these are the 14 vice president in India. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press the like button and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And to get the PDF, please join my Telegram and you get the PDF file. Thank you.